Hey, what's up guys, Houston here. And for those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell. And for those of you that's always supported me, as always, salute. Now, today's video is going to be very interesting because if you have a family member that uses Green Dot because they're in check systems and stuff like that, well, guess what guys? They're going to be able to start using Green Dot to help build their credit. And now, I'm going to break this down so you can clearly understand it, and I'm going to tell you how to leverage your green card to build your credit even bigger, okay? So here's the thing, all right? So what happened is Walmart, right, where you go get your Green Dot, Walmart has made an agreement with Green Dot, basically go-to bank, all right? And the agreement is your prepaid cards, you're gonna be able to use those to turn those into a checking account, all right? So when you go to put money on your green card, it's just like opening up a checking account. So which is cool. That doesn't mean that that's gonna build up your credit, but I'm gonna explain that as well. Now, here's the thing about it. Like when you have a Green Dot card, here's some of the things that people don't know, all right? In reference to where they used to say, okay, if you had $1,000 deposit, then they'll waive your monthly fee. Well, now they brought it down to $500. So now when you have a $500 deposit, then you don't have that monthly fee. Now here's another cool part about it. Overdraft protection. Overdraft protection, okay? Now what happens, say that you overdraft $200, all right, on your Green Dot card. What ends up happening, they'll charge a fee unless you're able to pay that $200 within 24 hours, okay? Now, again, they're giving you leverage, all right? Here's another cool part about this Green Dot card that a lot of people are not aware of, especially if they're receiving their paychecks and stuff. You get your paycheck 2 days earlier. Now, for those of you that do use the Green Dot card or whatever, let me know. How do you like using it? Does it give you the leverage, the flexibility and stuff like that? And this is something that you can get excited about because, again, it's going to start helping you build up your credit. And you're probably wondering how. Well, here's how, okay? Now let's talk about, not only you get your paycheck 2 days earlier, it also offers a savings account, right? I think their savings account goes up to, I think, $1,000, all right? So that's some of the things about the benefits of the Green Dot card. But here's the cool part about it. What they're doing is go-to bank, which issues the Green Dot card, what they're going to be doing is they'll be giving you access to your Experian Boost. So if you're using your Experian Boost, okay, to pay your light bill, gas bill, cable bill, your streaming service, if you're using your Green Dot, now you'll be able to connect that. So now it's going to help you start building up your credit. This is something that's awesome because a lot of people, they can't get traditional banks, right? And so they may be in check systems or whatever, so they've been using Green Dot all this time. Well, now you see that there's actually a bigger benefit, and like I said, they're going to be allowing you to actually turn it into a checking account. That's the real big news. Now, I'm going to tell you something, and it's not speculation, and I know that it's going to happen. One day, you'll be able to walk into Walmart and get a loan. That's right. Because Walmart bought into another system. They haven't put it out yet, but the system that they bought into, and as they change more into the banking of it, they'll be able to offer like personal loans and things of that nature. So expect that to become a part of Walmart. I'm not saying it's going to happen today or how soon it's going to happen, but they just did buy the technology to actually start doing it. So that's the reason they're starting to get into the banking of this thing. Now that Walmart and Green Dot are partnering up to give you a checking account with your prepaid card. Now you have an original debit card, right? So this is what I want you to do to continue to help build your credit. Once you use the Experian Boost to pay your bills, this is the next thing that you should be doing. You should take your card and sign up with Extra. It's an app, okay? And what it is, all of your debit transactions is going to calculate everything that you buy up for the month. And what it'll do, it'll report that to the credit bureaus. All right. So that will give you another line of credit to help you reboost your credit. Also, you can use this card called Zorro. Excuse me. It's called Zorro card. It does the same thing as the Extra card. It calculates all your debit transactions for the month and it'll report to the credit bureaus. So now you actually start to rebuilding your credit. All right. So for those of you, again, have you used the Extra card or the debit card? Let me know what it is that you're doing. Also, another card that you can use is Credit AI. Okay, you can use Credit AI. Okay, and some people said they gave them a trade line up to $1,500, right? But at the same time, rebuilding your credit is the most important thing you can do, so that way you can get access to more money and stuff. And I understand some of you may still be in check system. If you have questions about your credit and stuff, you can click the link below and schedule a consultation with three-way funding. But for you guys that have the green dot card, or you have family members that have the green dot card but don't have a checking account, please share this video with them, because this is a game changer in the community. All right, I really think this is something that's really going to help the community, especially helping reestablish credit. But again, make sure that you use your green card, you hook it up with the Extra card so that it can start reporting a positive trade line to your personal credit. So this is Houston with Three-Way Funding. I appreciate you guys supporting me, and as always, salute.